Okay, so today everyone, we're going to teach you how to make
Monggo!
Monggo! First, we put
Oil.
inuuna natin dapat ay sibuyas, red onions. Dahil ang garlic madaling masunog. While we're sauteing, we will chop some garlic. Just coarsely chop. Toss in garlic and tomatoes. Wag na wag niyong mamadaliin ang pagsusaute. Let the flavors come out. Done sauteing, now we will add our baboy, Gummy's favorite meat. So we put the sliced pork cubes and then we watch them brown beautifully. Every time I cook any dish with meat, that you brown the meat first. The juice is locked inside. What's next, Gummy?
Water.
Water, very good. Ilagay ang tubig at monggo. Okay, stir a little. At ngayon, idadagdag na natin ang Knorr pork cubes na gawa sa tunay na pork na nagbibigay ng pork linamnam sa ating monggo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Halayaan lang natin siyang ma-dissolve. Takpan at pakuluin. At idadagdag natin ang paborito ni Gummy na
Chicharron!
chicharron. Wow.
Bango!
This is good.
It's
Whoop!
raining chicharron.
It's raining chicharron.
It's eating time!
Yay! Okay, let's eat. Let's try it. Monggo!